Hello, what is your name?
My name is Ellen.
Very good. How are you today?
I'm
I'm
happy.
Very good. How old are you?
I'm 4.
Very good. Okay, tell me, what letter is this? M.
M.
Very good. What letter is this?
B.
B. Very good.
T.
Very good. N.
N.
Good. What letter is this? R.
O.
Good.
O.
Oh, very good. Okay. Monkey.
Monkey.
Very good. Map.
Map.
Very good. Night.
Night.
Very good. Next.
Neck.
Good. Old.
O.
Very good. Ocean.
Ocean.
Very good. Parrot.
Berry.
Good. Panda.
Panda.
Very good. Quail.
Quail.
Good. Okay. Quiet.
Quiet.
Very good. Rose.
Rose.
Very good. Rainbow. Good. Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Good. Okay. Spell with me. M. Very good. Map. Good. L. T. Old. Very good. O. C. E. A. N. Very good. Ocean. Good. N. D. A. Panda. Okay. Now, okay, tell me what fruit is it? It's an
Apple.
very good.
It's an orange.
Yes.
It's a banana.
Very good. Okay, what fruit is it?
Watermelon.
It's a watermelon. Very good.
It's a cherry.
Yes. What fruit is it? These are grapes.
It's one day.
Grapes. Very good. What fruit is it? These.
It's a kiwi.
Yes, good. What fruit is it?
It's a bear.
Yes, good.
It's a bee.
It's a peach, yes. What fruit is it? It's a plum. Very good. What fruit is it? It's a lemon.
Lemon.
Okay. It's a melon.
It's a melon.
Good. What do you need? I need 3 apples.
Three apples.
Okay. I need 3 apples.
Apple.
Good. Okay. What do you need? I need
2 apples.
2 bananas.
2 bananas.
Okay. What do you need? I need 4 lemons. I need 4
4 lemons.
lemons. Good. Okay. What do you need? I need 5 cherries.
Cherry.
I need.
Cherry.
Good. Okay, what fruits do you like? I like.
Watermelon.
Good. What do you like? I.
Kiwi.
Very good.
I
I. Plum. I like plum. Very good. I like melon. Good. Do you like peaches? Yes. Yes, I do. Okay. Do you like grapes? Very good. Do you like oranges? Very good. Do you like pears? Very good. Good job. High five.